All right, so we're going to do this again. We're going to rewrite this in vertex form by completing the square. So once again, I start by rewriting my equation where I group my x terms and leave space to complete the square. And then I kind of leave the constant out. And now it's time to build a square. So I'm going to build a square over here. And then fill in these numbers from inside the parentheses. So I have an x squared, oops. The 6x needs to be cut in half. So remember, we always take half of the middle term, and that would leave us a 3x here and a 3x here. And now it's time to get our factors. So we get the edge lengths x by x, and this is a 3, and this is a 3. And then this is what informs our last number. So 3 times 3 would mean this last spot needs to be a 9. So I'm going to add 9 here, but don't forget to subtract 9 at the end on the same side of the equation so that your equation stays balanced. And now I can factor this. This part is x plus 3 times x plus 3. So I can rewrite this now as g of x equals x plus 3 squared, and then combine 1 and -9, make -8. And there is our vertex form. And now we need to identify our vertex. So our vertex is our h comma k. And in this case, our h equals -3 and our k equals -8. Remember, the h is always the opposite of what you see. All right, so now I'm going to graph this. I hope it fits. -3, -8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Of course not. So we're down here 1 unit below the last grid line. Apologize for that. And then it is a leading coefficient of a equals 1. So that means it's the same shape and size as the parent function. So from this vertex, I go right 1, up 1, left 1, up 1. Right 2, up 4, left 2, up 4, and connect.